Hello guys, welcome back to my Instagram story and YouTube channel. I just came back with Continental GT650 with Code6 tuned, and you know what? Along with that red roasters, guys, deadly combination. Here I am for night ride, guys. Night ride. Let's go for a ride. I just wanna not only me. Along with me, you also gonna feel my ride, guys. Let's do this together. Here I am. The time is 12:11 a.m. night. Guys, how is the exhaust note? Please comment down in the comment section the best you are gonna witness. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Oh, this is cool. This is cool, guys. This is cool. Guys, this is extremely fun, means fun. This guy randomly came out of somewhere else. I don't know from where he came, but this is insane. This is insane. Actually, guys, this is what actually I wanted. Oh man, two red roasters. This is totally mad. Hi, bro. This.
Nice to hear the voice.
Yeah, nice to see you. Yeah, Code6 tune.
That's so amazing. Man.
Thank you so much.
The Pulsar 200 was following me.
Yeah.
I was wondering from where the option back.
Okay.
I just looked right and you are there. Wow,
Yeah.
that's so amazing.
Yeah. I'm really happy that you came
Yeah.
in my vlog.
Nice to see you.
Vlogs and all. I hope you guys enjoyed this epic drag. So thank you so much for watching my vlogs and all, guys. Here I am ending this vlog. So this, you meet some people randomly and you don't even know them, and you became friends and you became family and all. So like that, I got so many friends, guys, so many. And this shell is literally like heaven in Chennai. Like whenever I used to get bored, I just came out of my home. I'm promising you guys so that for a week 3 vlogs are for sure about night rides and day rides also. I'm gonna post it in my YouTube. They're out. My GP is signing off. Bye bye, good night.